Okay, let's do the first example for subtopic 2.1. Jungkook walks 70 meter to the east. So let's assume Jungkook is here. He moves to the east and then he turns around walking back 30 meter. So let's just assume the point is here. 30 meter and then 70 meter. Okay, so calculate the total distance traveled. Okay, so the total distance traveled is the route he took. Okay, so 70 meter plus dengan 30 meter. Okay, so that is the total distance traveled. So we can just write 70 plus 30 is 100 meter. Okay, next, why do I repeat this? 100 meter. And then the displacement pula, the displacement is actually the shortest distance between the starting point and the final point, which is this one lah. This is the displacement. Okay, so from there you can then know that the displacement is equal to 70 minus 30 meter. Then you get 40 meter as his displacement trying to run away from an army. Okay, now example 2. An object P moves 30 meter to the east, after that 15 meter to the south, and finally moves 40 meter to the west. Determine the displacement of P relative to its original position. Okay, so before we start, let's just try to do a what do we call this, compass line, whatever. Okay, so let's assume this is our north, this is our south, east, and then our west. Okay, so he starts at, this object starts, let's assume this starts dari somewhere, a point from here lah. Okay, so they moves 30 meter to the east, so it is going to the right. After that 15 meter to the south. Okay, so to the south. Allah, dia cantik lah. No need lah draw that one, just draw like this. So P going there, this is going to the east, and then 30 meter, and then they'll go down going to south, 15 meter south, and then they finally moves 40 meter. So this is assuming its final point. Okay, so now determine the displacement of P relative to its original position. So we know that this is his final point, the object final point. This is the starting point. So this is this is what we are looking for, the shortest distance. Okay, the shortest distance from its starting point to the final point. Okay, so how do we do that? We can use Pythagoras Theorem. 15 meter, 40 minus 30 is 10 meter. This is what we are trying to search for, and then just plug it into Pythagoras Theorem. So you get 10 square, 15 square, you then get 18 meter to be the displacement. Okay, so since displacement is a vector quantity, try to always remember to find its direction. Okay, so this one is y over x, so 15 over 10. Then you'll get the value 56 degree. Okay, right.